advisory for the following areas in Washington, Bremerton and vicinity, Everett and vicinity, area, Seattle and vicinity, and Tacoma area. Coastal flood advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. What? Minor coastal flooding expected. Inundation of around 2 feet above ground level is possible along shorelines and low-lying coastal areas. Where? Western Whatcom County, Southwest Interior, Western Skagit County, Everett and vicinity, Tacoma area, Admiralty Inlet area, Huguenot area, Seattle and vicinity, and Bremerton and vicinity zones. When? From 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Minor coastal flooding due to tidal overflow is expected around high tide. This may lead to flooding of parking lots, parks, and roads, with only isolated road closures expected. Additional details. High tide will peak around 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. If travel is required, allow extra time as some roads may be closed. Do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. Inundation above ground level refers to the heights above the mean high water MHHW level. Repeating, a coastal flood advisory has been issued from 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday until 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday for the following areas in Washington, Bremerton and vicinity, Everett and vicinity, Huguenot area, Seattle and vicinity, and Tacoma area. Winter storm warning for the following area in Washington, West Slopes, North Central Cascades and Passes. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday at or above elevations greater than 2,000 feet. What? Heavy snow expected at or above elevations greater than 2,000 feet. Total snow accumulation between 12 and 24 inches, with locally high amounts over the highest peaks. Where? West Slopes, North Cascades and Passes, West Slopes, North Central Cascades and Passes, and West Slopes, South Central Cascades and Passes. When? From 10 a.m. Saturday to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Travel conditions across the passes, including Stevens and Snoqualmie, will likely become challenging over the weekend as snow levels rapidly rise above 6,000 feet Saturday, then fall to 2,000 feet Sunday. Additional details. The heaviest snowfall will occur Sunday once snow levels drop below pass level. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages. Flood watch for the following county: Mason, Washington. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible.
Plug me in.
Where? A portion of northwest Washington, including the following county: Mason. When? From Saturday evening through Sunday afternoon. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details. A storm coming in over the Olympics Saturday will bring 2 to 3 inches of rain with snow levels at times above 5,000 feet. With the Skokomish River running high near 16 feet, this will be enough to drive it above flood stage early Sunday morning. River forecasts are trending higher and the river could exceed moderate stage again. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. You are listening to NOAA weather radio station KHB 60, Seattle, serving the greater